Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the lecturer vacancies notifications from the multiple colleges, and here the few government universities as well as the private colleges are also there, and the candidates who are having the only post graduation and the PG plus UG Senate and the PhD. So for all these three different categories here the vacancies are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UG Senate exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UG Senate JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video. So out of the multiple colleges, it is the first college that we are going to see, and this college name is Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj College of Engineering. So here it is, email ID, the contact number as well as the official website is also given here, so you may check down. And if you're having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you may call to this number. And applications are invited on plain paper for the post of faculty in the computer science and engineering, information technology and MBA. So send the resume along with photocopy of certificates by email to principal@ssgmce.ac.in on or before 20th July 2021. Fine. And coming to the qualifications, as per the AICTE or UGC or SGBAU norms, so BE, BTech and ME, MTech with PhD and MBA with PhD. That means the candidates who are applying for this notification, definitely the PhD must be there. And the institution requires the qualified and the committed faculty. So few more. Only PhD candidates should apply. So it is clearly mentioning that only PhD candidates has to apply for this one. And coming to the next one is Rajgad Institute of Management Research and Development from Pune. Applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the post on the ad hoc basis for the academic year 2021 to 22. So it requires associate and assistant professor and regarding the management case, the candidates who are having the management related post graduation or else the UG Senate or else the PhD, then you may apply for this one. So qualifications as per the AICTE norms, and interested candidates are required to send their applications and updated resume on director@rimrd.org within 15 days from the date of this advertisement. Fine. So here the official website is also given here, and this college is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. So you once visit the official website and check down guys. Okay, so the candidates who are having the post graduation in the management side, then you may send your resume to this provided mail ID. Fine. But once visit the official website and then check out for the notification and then proceed your further application. Okay. And the next one is Madina Degree and PG College for Women, affiliated to Usmania University from Hyderabad. It invites applications for the principal, professors, lecturers for BCom and the BSc Nutrition all subjects and the office in charge. So I got the comments regarding the recruitment notification on the nutrition. So I think this will be helpful to you. The qualification experience as per the Usmania University, and you have to send your resume to I will little bit zoom guys. Yeah, to director@mdc.ac.in and Madina institutions@gmail.com within 7 days. Fine. So if you are having the post graduation regarding the commerce or else the nutrition in all the subjects, then you may send your resume to this provided mail IDs. And coming to the next one, Department of Finance and Business Economics, University of Delhi South Campus. So online interview for appointment of guest faculty in the Department of Finance and Business Economics. So applications are invited for the appointment of guest faculty and MBA Finance program. And while coming number of posts, unreserved category 1, OBC 2 and SC 1. And coming to the MBA Business Economics, the different subjects are mentioned here, you may check down. The number of posts, unreserved 3, OBC 1, SC 1 and ST 1, EWS category 1. Candidates who fulfill the minimum eligibility criteria for the assistant professor as per the University of Delhi norms, you can apply by sending your resume to the dfbedu@gmail.com by 17th July 2021. And at the time of applying, you have to mention the subject of the mail as application for the guest faculty position. Okay, application for the guest faculty position. Eligible candidates will be sent the date, time and link for the online interview by email. Fine. So these are the things, guys, and you may check down. So it is from the Department of Finance and Business Economics from University of Delhi. And coming to the next one, it is a notification from Savitribai Phule Pune University, the Department of Pali and Buddhist Studies. So 2 weeks back, one candidate asked me that are there any Buddhism related vacancies? So I think it will be helpful to you. Applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the post of Assistant Professor in Buddhist Studies on contractual basis at the Department of Pali and Buddhist Studies, SPPU, for the academic year 2021 to 22 till 31st May 2022. Fine. So number of posts 1 is there, and eligibility MA in Buddhist studies or Buddhist literature, Pali, Sanskrit with at least 55% of marks or B plus grade. NET or SET or PhD. Qualification is mandatory. Teaching and research experience is desirable. 30,000 rupees consolidated per month is available. And interested candidates should send their application on plain paper or by email with complete curriculum vitae and all relevant documents or certificates and contact details, including the working email ID and the mobile number, to the head Department of Pali and Buddhist Studies, Savitribai Phule Pune University, or else you may mail to this one, hodpali@unipune.ac.in. And the last day for receiving the application is July 22nd, 2021. Envelope should be clearly marked as application for the post of Assistant Professor Contractual category. Okay, applications received after the due date will not be considered. Fine. And here the date, time, mode of interview will be communicated to the shortlisted candidates. TADA will not be provided. Fine. So it is one notification. And coming to the next one is it is Holy Cross College Autonomous from Tiruchirappalli. So teaching staff vacancies required for the academic year 2021 to 22. And the subjects are botany, chemistry, physics, zoology, rehabilitation, science, commerce, economics, English, history, librarian, self-financed, biochemistry, biotechnology, biostatics, and psychology. And qualifications as per the UGC norms. So you will visit the official website for following the instructions and apply on or before 31st July 2021. Okay. So you visit the official website and then check down, guys. If you are having, and the official website also given here, if you are having any queries regarding this notification, then here the contact number is also provided. You may call to that number, and you have to apply on or before 31st July 2021 and apply through online mode only. Here the application fee is 500 rupees for this one, and here the selection based upon the written test and presentation of class, personal interview. Fine. And coming to the next one is Bishop Jesudasan and Arts and Science College, and it is the aided college. Applications are invited from the qualified candidates for the post of assistant professor in the following subjects: English 4, Commerce 3, Economics 2, all are under the open category. Qualifications as per the UGC regulations, age as per the government rules. Fine. And here the phone number is given, 9946311308. If you are having any queries, then you may contact to this one. The last date for receipt of filled in application by the manager Bishop Jesudasan CSI Arts and Science College, Trivandrum, is 16th August 2021. Okay, 16th August 2021 is the last date. So you visit the official website of this college, okay, and then check out for this notification and then apply, guys. Right? If you are having still queries regarding this one, and here the contact number is also, contact number is there, so you may contact to this number. Fine. So anyhow, these are the different notifications, guys. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and total 7 colleges. The recruitment notifications are there. And if you don't belong to these departments, please mention your department in the comment section so that I will come up with the next video. So most of the recruitment notifications here, whatever I showed based upon your comments, your previous comments. Okay, so similarly, if your subject is not covered, just put one comment regarding your subject and then I will try to cover those one in my next video. Fine. So please share this one to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET. Here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.